the previous lectures we discussed what is ionic product. Okay, so in that ionic product we give this relation, right? H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration equal to Kw, that is equal to 10 power minus 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to discuss how to identify the nature of the solution, means whether that is acidic solution or neutral solution or basic solution. Okay, and or what if H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7, what is the nature? Greater than 10 power minus 7, what is the nature? Less than 10 power minus 7, what is the nature? Okay, those all we discuss, very important concept, this one. Okay, so these applications are useful in so many concepts. Okay, so this is the relation which we discussed. Now if you apply logarithm to this equation, so we get log H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to log Kw, that is equal to log 10 power minus 14. See, all are at 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so now if you expand this one, see, this is in the form of log A into B. So we can write it as log A plus log B. Okay, so log H plus concentration plus log of OH minus ion concentration is equal to log Kw. See, log 10 power minus 14. So here base is 10, yes or no? So here that is equal to minus 14. Okay, so now if you multiply this one with minus, okay, so this entire equation with minus, so we get minus log, okay, minus log H plus ion concentration plus minus log OH minus ion concentration is equal to minus log Kw, that is equal to plus 14, yes or no? So no need to write this plus, so we get 14, minus into minus, that becomes a plus. Okay, see, now look at this one, this is minus log H plus, nothing but pH. Okay, plus, see, this one is minus log OH minus, nothing but POH, that is equal to minus log Kw means pKw. Okay, minus log Kw means pKw, that is equal to 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so this is also very important relation. Okay, pH plus POH is equal to pKw, that is equal to 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so depending on this one only, now we discuss the concepts. Okay, so one is the relation is this one, H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to Kw, and experimentally determined value of Kw at 25 degrees centigrade is how much? 10 power minus 14, yes or no? So after doing these operations we are getting pH plus POH equal to pKw. Okay, minus log H plus pH, we know that, minus log OH minus POH, and similarly minus log Kw is pKw, that is equal to 14. See, remember that at 25 degrees centigrade pH plus POH equal to 14 because pKw equal to 14. But at any other temperature pH plus POH is equal to pKw, general case. Okay, so in the examination they will provide the value if temperature is other than 25 degrees centigrade. In this case we can find the pH or POH. Okay, and that is also different for the acidic solution and neutral solution and basic solution, that we now discuss with a table. Okay, clear? This relation already we discussed, and this is another relation. The next table depends on these two. Okay, if you understand the table, we can solve so many problems and we can understand the concepts easily. Okay, now let us see the table. So now, just now we have discussed that pH plus POH equal to pKw, right? Okay, so now let us see what is the nature of the solution, whether that is a neutral solution, acidic solution and basic solution, depending upon the concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions. Okay, so first here see, at 25 degrees centigrade we discuss commonly which we use, and in general case at any temperature. Okay, at 25 degrees centigrade what is the concentration of H plus in the neutral solution, acidic and basic solution. In the same way we discuss at any temperature what is the general relation? Okay, so those we discuss now. Now, see here, first at 25 degrees centigrade, for a neutral solution, H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7 and OH minus ion concentration is also equal to 10 power minus 7. Yes or no? Because already we discussed how we are getting this 10 power minus 7 in the previous lecture. Okay. So H plus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 7 and OH minus ion concentration equal to 10 power minus 7. Means concentration of H plus ions equal to concentration of OH minus ions in the neutral solution. Okay. So pH is equal to 7, pOH is also equal to 7. Yes or no? pH equal to 7 and pOH is also equal to 7. We know that pH equal to minus log H plus. So minus log 10 power minus 7 means that we get pH equal to 7. So, okay, so here concentrations are expressed in normalities. Okay, so now at any temperature, general case, okay, so H plus ion concentration is equal to root Kw, and OH minus ion concentration is also equal to root Kw. Yes or no? H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration equal to Kw. Okay, that also we discussed in the previous lecture, that is in the ionic product of water. Okay, so from that here, okay, so here I will write for understanding purpose. We know that H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration equal to Kw. Yes or no? Okay, so H plus ion concentration equal to OH minus ion concentration in the neutral solution. So that we get H plus ion concentration whole square equal to Kw. Yes or no? H plus equal to OH minus. So H plus ion concentration is equal to root Kw. Yes or no? So in this way we get this relation. Same here also, at 25 degrees centigrade, Kw is 10 power minus 14 fixed. So that's why here we get 10 power minus 7, square root of 10 power minus 14 means. The general case at any temperature, okay, whatever it may be the temperature, very important this case is. Okay, so in this way we are getting H plus ion concentration equal to root Kw. Now, pH is equal to pKw by 2. Yes or no? Just now we discussed that pH plus pOH equal to pKw. Yes or no? Here pH plus pOH equal to 14. So that means 7 plus 7. Yes or no? pH is equal to pOH in the neutral solution. In the same way, here we get pOH is equal to pKw by 2. Yes or no? General case. So at 25 degrees centigrade it is 14. So 14 by 2, 7. And it is the general case. Okay. So very simple. If you understand this one, so very easy. No need to by heart anything. Okay. Next, in the acidic solution, if you consider H plus ion concentration is greater than 10 power minus 7 at 25 degrees centigrade. Yes or no? H plus ion concentration is more and OH minus ion concentration is less than 10 power minus 7. What is the reason? In acidic solution, H plus ion concentration is more, OH minus concentration is less. Whatever it may be, their product equal to 10 power minus 14, right? Okay. So now, suppose it is 10 power minus 6, then it will be 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 8, how much? 10 power minus 14, yes or no? And pH is less than 7. Okay, so H plus ion concentration greater than 10 power minus 7 means pH less than 7. Yes or no? If it is 10 power minus 6, suppose H plus ion concentration, pH we get how much? 6. Yes or no? Minus of log 10 power minus 6 equal to 6. And pOH is greater than 7. Okay, clear? So in this way, see, for the neutral solution, pH equal to 7, pOH equal to 7. But for acidic solution, pH is less than 7, pOH is greater than 7. Okay, in the same way now, this general case, how can we write? H plus ion concentration is greater than root Kw. Yes or no? Very simple. Okay, so here greater than 10 power minus 7 at 25 degrees centigrade. At general case, at any temperature, how we are getting this one? By taking root kW. Yes or no? Okay, so H plus ion concentration is greater than root kW and OH minus ion concentration is less than square root of kW. Okay, so therefore pH is less than pKw by 2 and pOH is greater than pKw by 2. Okay, pOH is greater than pKw by 2. Okay, see here, pOH greater than 7 at 25 degrees centigrade because pKw equal to 14. Yes or no? So pOH is greater than 14 by 2, that is greater than 7. In the same way here, general case, pOH is greater than pKw by 2. Okay, next in the basic solution means now H plus ion concentration is less than 10 power minus 7 and OH minus ion concentration is greater than 10 power minus 7. Yes or no? Acidic solution H plus ion concentration is more. In the basic solution OH minus ion concentration is more. Okay, so then here we get pH is greater than 7 and pOH is less than 7. Okay, pOH is less than 7 for a basic solution. Okay, next general case. So H plus ion concentration is less than root kW and OH minus ion concentration is greater than square root of kW. Okay, see here in the acidic solution H plus ion concentration greater than square root of kW. In the basic solution H plus ion concentration is less than square root of kW. Okay, and pH. Okay, so pH is greater than pKw by 2 and pOH is less than pKw by 2. Okay, so this is about how to identify acidic solution or neutral solution or basic solution depending upon the relationship between H plus ion concentration and kW values. Okay, so direct questions they are asking, very important. Okay, so here this is for the neutral solution at 25 degrees centigrade and this is at any temperature. Okay, so only here by using some simple relations we are getting all these. Yes or no? Just understanding is important. At 25 degrees centigrade, okay, H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration in the neutral solution. Yes or no? So that is equal to how much? 10 power minus 7. From that we are writing. How we are getting? That is by using square root of kW, which we already discussed in the ionic product of water in the previous lecture. Okay, once again I am recalling here. Clear? So in this way we are getting all these relations. Simple, understand. Never try to by heart this one. Okay. So neutral solution means H plus ion concentration equal to OH minus ion concentration. At 25 degrees centigrade, that is equal to 10 power minus 7. Yes or no? And in the at any temperature, that is equal to root kW. Okay, because at 25 degrees centigrade, kW equal to how much? 10 power minus 14. So that's why here we are getting 10 power minus 7. Next, acidic solution means H plus ion concentration is greater than 10 power minus 7. Basic solution means H plus ion concentration is less than 10 power minus 7. Okay, so in the next lecture we discuss some problems related to this concept. Okay, thank you.